Today I'm going to teach you how to delete your Expedia account, whether you're looking to close an unused account or simply prefer to manage fewer online profiles. This process will help you permanently remove your Expedia account from their system. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Expedia.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account using your login credentials. This is essential because you can only delete an account that you have access to, so make sure you're logged in with the correct details. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account. This will take you to your main account dashboard, where you can manage various aspects of your Expedia profile. Once you're on the account page, look over to the left sidebar. This is where Expedia organizes different account settings and options for easy navigation. Click on Security and Settings. This section houses all the important configurations related to your account's security and general settings, including the option we're looking for. Within the Security and Settings area, scroll down until you find the Account Management section. This is where Expedia allows you to make significant changes to your account. Click on Delete Account. This action will initiate the account deletion process and take you to the next step. At this point, Expedia may present you with a feedback survey. This is their way of understanding why users choose to leave their platform. You can choose to fill out the survey if you'd like to share your reasons, or you can simply click Skip to move forward without providing feedback. Either choice is perfectly fine. Next, you'll be brought to an information page that outlines what deleting your account means. This page typically explains that your data, bookings history, and saved preferences will be permanently removed. Once you've reviewed this information, click Permanently Delete Account. This is the critical step that confirms your decision to close your account. Finally, a confirmation page will appear acknowledging that your account deletion request has been processed. Click Got It to acknowledge this confirmation and complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Expedia account. Your profile and associated data will be permanently removed from their system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.